In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact list in Microsoft Outlook fast, 2025 guide. If you regularly email the same group of people, a contact list will save you time and prevent mistakes. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, and I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to Microsoft Outlook. Sign in with your account so you're on your mailbox. Once you're in, look for the People icon. This is Outlook's address book area where your contacts and lists live. Click People to switch from your inbox to your contacts. At the top, you'll see a New Contact button. Instead of clicking the button itself, click the small arrow next to it. That arrow opens a menu with additional options. From the drop-down, choose New Contact List. This is important. A contact list is different from a single contact. A list groups multiple email addresses under one name so you can email everyone at once. A panel will open where you can set up your list. First, give your contact list a clear, memorable name. Pick something descriptive, like the team, class, or project name, so you can find it quickly later. Good naming now saves searching later. Next, add people to the list. Click into the field for email addresses and start typing. Outlook may suggest matches from your existing contacts. Select them if they appear. If not, type the full email address. After each entry, add the person so they appear as a member in the list. Take a moment to double check spelling here. One typo can cause messages to bounce. If you're pasting addresses, make sure there are no extra spaces. You'll also see a description field. This is optional but handy. Use it to note the purpose of the list, the event date, or any context that helps you remember who's included and why. It's especially useful if you manage multiple lists. When everything looks right, the name is set, members are added, and your description is in place, click Create. Outlook will save the list and you'll see it appear among your contacts. From now on, you can address future emails to the list name and reach everyone in one go without retyping addresses. That's it. You searched for Outlook and signed in, opened the People view, used the arrow beside New Contact, chose New Contact List, named it, entered the email addresses, added them, included a description if you wanted, and clicked Create. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with your new contact list.